bread butter toast, bread with peanut butter, or vegetable bread sandwich. Bread is very much a part of diet of an average Indian. But which bread do you eat? Born, Britannia, Harvest Gold, English Oven, or Mother Dairy? Which is the healthiest bread in the Indian market? Let us find out. Hello friends, welcome to FitTuber. To find out the best bread in the Indian market, I bought almost every bread available online and offline. After thoroughly going through every ingredient on them, I have categorized all the breads into 4 major categories. Starting with category number 1, which includes the white breads by Born, English Oven, Harvest Gold, Mother Dairy, etc. Now these breads have not even a single ingredient in them which can be called healthy. From 100% maida to refined vegetable oils to preservatives, emulsifiers, improvers, regulators and whatnot. Unfortunately, all these breads are also the most popular among the Indians. However, if you care even a little about your health, these white bread should strictly not be a part of your diet. Moving to category number 2, which includes brown bread by English Oven, Mother Dairy, Britannia, Atta bread by English Oven, multigrain bread by English Oven and Born's herbs and seeds bread. All these brands wish to sell their breads to people who are seeking healthy breads but simply do not want to make an effort to make them. Well, they have boastfully label their breads as brown, wheat and atta bread, but the real story is revealed when you turn the pack. Yes, all these so-called wheat breads have maida as their major ingredient. And not to forget the preservatives, food colors and unwanted additives added in them. In my opinion, these brands deserve a special award and recognition for confusing their customers for creating 3 different variants of bread with exactly the same ingredients. Surely not worth your money and health. Next comes category number 3, which includes 100% whole wheat bread by Born, Britannia, English Oven, La Americana, all wheat breads by Harvest Gold and also the multigrain breads by Born, Britannia and Harvest Gold. Absolutely free from maida, these commercial breads are surely better than the ones mentioned in the previous 2 categories. However, most of them do have preservatives, improvers, emulsifiers and refined oils added in them. If you have no option but to go with these commercial breads, I would suggest La Americana as it has no preservatives. Harvest Gold would be my second choice as comparatively it has less number of additives. Born would be placed third, Britannia and English Oven would be least preferred. Now before we move on to the best breads in the Indian market, let us quickly understand as to why these commercial breads come up with so many additives. Is it not possible to bake bread without them? Of course it's possible, but these brands choose not to. If you go through the ingredients of any commercial bread, you would find emulsifiers, preservatives, improvers, regulators, colors and various agents added in the form of numbers. All these have little yet specific functions to perform which reduces the baking time and enhances the texture, color, softness and shelf life of the bread baked. Basically, these numbered ingredients do not have a health value but a commercial value. Actually, they cost you your health. For example, the improver 923 and 1104 added in English Oven and Britannia respectively have already been banned by the European Union for their adverse side effects. Even other such additives are known to have a bad name. What's worse is that the source of these chemical additives is completely hidden from the consumer. So what choice do we consumers have? Which are the best breads in the Indian market? Well, category number 4 includes the breads by Baker's Dozen, whole wheat bread by the Cocoa Company and whole wheat breads by Poshta. Undoubtedly, these are way better than the breads in all previous categories but are still not 100% up to the mark. For example, the Baker's Dozen uses whole wheat, butter and yeast to make bread, but it does have flour strengthener, sugar and salt. The Cocoa Company's whole wheat bread has bread improver, vegetable oil, sugar and salt. Poshta definitely stands out as it is made from organic whole wheat, cold pressed sunflower oil, yeast and wheat bran. Had they added rock salt instead of table salt, it would have been 100% perfect. However, Poshta has definitely taken the effort to make something really worth your health. Surely these are the best in the Indian market but are still far from the everyday roti that you eat at home. Moreover, their supply is also limited to certain cities. Then there are also brands like the Bread Company and the American Bagel that charge you a fortune, claim to make the healthiest of breads but backstab you when you look at their ingredients. Completely stay away. Well, if you are looking for a bread without any compromise, then just like roti, you have to even make a bread at home. Yes, it's actually easy. You'll love it. Take about 300 grams of whole wheat flour in any big bowl and make a space in the center. Here add rock salt, mishri powder and instant dry yeast. Also add lukewarm water and mix the ingredients properly. Now add about 2 tablespoons of cold pressed sesame oil and with the help of lukewarm water knead a soft dough. Grease your hands with some oil and and keep kneading until the dough is smooth. It will take about 6 to 7 minutes. See, the dough looks ready now. Now take a bread mold. Nah, not the aluminium one. Of course, you are aware that aluminium is thyrotoxic. Even avoid these so-called stainless steel bread molds which are coated with non-stick Teflon. Instead, use a 100% safe glass mold. I have linked it in the description box for you to buy it online. Grease it with some oil or butter. Place the dough in the mold and spread it evenly. Apply some oil over the dough. Cover the container and keep aside in a warm place. You can actually keep it in your cupboard for faster fermentation. Within 2 to 3 hours, the dough will get doubled in its size. Look, the dough is now ready to be baked. You can sprinkle some sesame seeds if you so wish. For baking, we will take a kadhai on a high flame. Put about half kg of salt into it. This salt will help our kadhai mimic an oven and it can be used many times. Keep a small bowl or a stand inside. Now cover the kadhai and let it preheat for about 10 minutes. Carefully place the mold inside. Cover the kadhai and let the bread bake until it gets golden brown. To check, insert a knife in the bread. If it comes out clean, the bread is ready. After you take out the bread, allow it to cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. Run a knife along all sides to separate the bread from the mold and place it on a board or a plate. Spread ghee over the bread. Now cut the bread slices. Wow, your tempting homemade whole wheat bread is ready. Amazing, isn't it? Without any unwanted additives, the homemade bread is actually more filling. Try it out. It's delicious. You might stop buying bread altogether. I've linked all the ingredients used in the recipe in the description box below. I want to confirm that whatever I've spoken in this video is my honest opinion. I'm not with or against any brand, nor the brands mentioned in the best category have paid me. In conclusion, if you have no time, you can opt for healthier commercial breads like La Americana or Gold Harvest whole wheat bread. And if you are willing to make a little more effort, you can choose the breads mentioned in the best category or even try to find the similar ones in your locality. However, if you're someone like me who does not like to make compromises on health, you can regularly bake a bread at home and enjoy it guilt-free. Did you find this video helpful? Want me to continue this series? If yes, then please give a thumbs up. Guys, you can check out Oziva's Green and Herbs and their protein and herbs made separately for men and women. Oziva's Green and Herbs made solely from whole foods without any preservatives, artificial flavors or synthetic agents. It can be a good substitute to the commercial multivitamin pills. Have 2 scoops of it in 200 ml water 30 minutes before meals to get maximum benefit. Their protein and herbs is a unique blend of whey protein and Ayurvedic herbs like ashwagandha and shatavari for better recovery and proper hormonal balance. What makes this product one of its kind is that it is naturally sweetened with stevia and has no artificial sweeteners, preservatives or soy. For best results after workout, have 1 scoop of it with water. All these products by Oziva are safe for men and women and are highly recommended. To buy them, click on the link down in the description box. So friends, that's all for this video. You can now support my work by clicking on the join button below. What should be the next video in this series? Comment below. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. You can also follow me on Instagram where I almost every Saturday at 11 AM do a Q&A session. My name is Vivek. I thank you so much for watching.